Guys, welcome to my channel. This is JM Kaundu, and I am bringing you a project that is massive. They are calling it 9 billion Nairobi Regeneration project. They are working on improving the sewer system, making sure Nairobi River looks amazing. You can see this is the Nairobi River, by the way, for you. So they are building the sewer system. So welcome to the channel. Let me take you on a tour of this project and show you what is happening. I am hoping that you can see they are building gabions to prevent the to make the river. You can see from here they are building those gabions. They call gabions, yeah, to prevent soil erosion from there. Then on this other side they are laying the sewer system. Is it the sewer pipe or what they call them? So let me take you on a tour of this project. The Nairobi River Regeneration project. You can see here they have diverted the water. There is the other side. The water is flowing on the other side. Then on this other side you can see there is a lot of work that is happening. So I am hoping that when this project is finished, we will have a clean river. Because as you can see right now, the water is very polluted. But the aim is to make sure that Nairobi River gets a better sewer system. Okay, so this is what is happening. You can see for yourself what is happening on this side. They have already laid the, what do you call them, these gabions. You can see from here how it looks. Yeah, that is a river that is flowing all the way, and I want to go to that other side of the. So here is where the whole project is starting from. You can see here they have blocked the water. This is the sewer line, the whole sewer line that is being upgraded to a new one. So you can see for yourself what is happening. Yeah, they have blocked the river over here, and then let me take you closer to where the work is happening. The real work is happening. This is the river itself. You can see how it's flowing. This is the river. You can see how it's polluted, very polluted. This project is happening in Lakisama. I can see there is you can see all these nice buildings. Lakisama is a growing small urban center, or what do you call it? You can see there are nice apartments over here, and more construction taking place. So I'm trying to get some nice location where to show you this regeneration project, but it seems like everywhere is sealed. Yeah, so welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Yeah, so this is the project, guys. You can see for yourself. Yeah, on the two sides they are putting gabions, and then the water is flowing on the river, and then on the knee you can see that they have laid I don't know whether it's only that I can't be able to zoom. They are laying the sewer line, very big one, to accommodate all the sewer or the waste that comes from Nairobi. So you can see for yourself what is happening. The other side is Dandora, and I am trying to be very careful because Dandora is not one of the best places you want to risk. Okay, so the problem is that they are not allowing people to get closer. I don't know why. So this is how it is happening, guys. The Nairobi River is getting an upgrade, and at the same time they're also upgrading the sewer system. Those guys are chilling on that other side. You don't want to trust them so much because they are the, how do you call them, the residents of this area, and sometimes they know what happens. You can see there are some people who are farming over here. I don't know whether I am passing through someone's property and maybe I'll get in trouble. I don't know. You see those construction that is happening out there. This is what is happening right here. They are building this river and making sure that it's gonna be okay. So trying to get close and see what is happening. There's a waterfall over here. Let me nitembee hivyo. Mambo. So you can see for yourself how they are constructing this sewer system, at the same time making Nairobi River a better place. I want to show you this waterfall. There's an amazing waterfall over here. Very nice. Oh. Wow, wow, look at this, very nice. We have the Nairobi Regeneration project. It's really, really cool. You can see they are trying to make sure that this place is amazing. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Support me by subscribing to the channel. I am bringing you an update of this construction to show you how beautiful and amazing it is coming along. So on this other side you can see they have laid the sewer system. This is the sewer system. I'm walking on top of the sewer system here. Hii sasa hapa natembelea ndio the sewer itself. Naona washafunga. You can see over there. So this is what is happening, guys. An amazing project. This waterfall, I can't get enough of it. But the problem with this waterfall is that this is a raw sewage from the uptown of Nairobi. So unaona venye wanajenga iko sawa kabisa. So it's a really big project. They are saying it's gonna cost 9 billion Kenya shillings. Naona hii waterfall venye inakuja vizuri. So sasa ikitengenezwa ndio sasa itakuwa maji safi, inaweza tembea, ni maji safi sasa itakuwa inapita. See raw sewage, because now what I am smelling right now is raw sewage. But when this upgrade is done, it's gonna be clean and water that can be renewed for use. So ile side ingine ni Dandora, and I am not trying not to go that far. Look, very nice project. I think they are copying what is happening in what do you call it, Ethiopia. Ethiopia are also doing the same project, making sure that they are cleaning the water, the rivers, to make sure that there is no raw sewage that is getting to the downstream. You can see over here how it looks dirty. The water looks very dirty. So this is what is happening. You can see for yourself. So ni kama imefika hapa. Oh, bado kuna ingine iko mbele. I'm trying to avoid kwenda sana, because you can see I am alone. Oh yeah. So it's gonna be a bit tricky if I go too far alone. Naambia huku tuko Dandora. So this is what is happening, guys. So let's get back and show you that other side. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this project. Is it worth the 9 billion that is being invested in this project? Is it worth it? Or maybe they are wasting money? So this is the project itself. The waterfall of the raw sewage. Nairobi Regeneration Project.